Hi, I'm Hillary Dyer with Grandview Outdoors. I'm here at Gunsite Academy in Arizona on a ladies shotgun course. Yesterday we went out, shot some trap and skeet, worked on our wing shooting skills. Today we're going completely differently using the same Mossberg shotguns with the flex system. We're going to do some tactical stuff, home defense situations, run through some simulators. It should be a great time.
Stand by. Fire!
I like this one. Very devastating.
So your first round will be to shoot the SRT. Your second round will be to knock down the lollipop paddle. Any questions? Fire!
This is the Mossberg 500 using the flex system. It's super easy to change out the stock, the forearm, the barrel, anything you want. So I took my wing shooting gun, changed out the barrel for something shorter, doesn't have a vent rib on it like yesterday's wing shooting gun did. Put a little bit of a higher comb on because we also mounted an EOTech holographic sight. For someone like me who's a natural wing shooter, home defense is a much different situation for me, so having a holographic sight, a red dot to show me exactly where I'm aiming this shotgun, because I'm not used to aiming a shotgun like I do in, like you have to in home defense. So this has been a huge help for a home defense situation. Same gun, two different applications, very quick to change out. It's been terrific.